Hello students, today I am going to tell you the summary of the chapter A Letter to God. It's the first chapter of your textbook First Flight. In the chapter A Letter to God, the author tells us about the unwavering faith of a farmer in God. It begins with a farmer named Lencho who is expecting for a rain shower to nourish his field of corn. He is confident that his harvest is going to give him huge profits like every year. To his utmost excitement, rainfall did happen, but sooner it turned into a hailstorm, destroying his entire crop field. The damage posed a threat to the family's survival as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's production. Although disheartened, the family had robust belief in the Almighty God. Lencho, despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write, and so he decided to write a letter to God explaining his situation and asking for help. He went to town to post his letter addressed to God. The letter, on being noticed by the postmaster, at first amused him, but then motivated him want to do something for the farmer so as to keep his immense belief intact. He contributes from his salary and collects money from his colleagues and friends. They willingly contributed for an act of charity. To his dismay, he could only collect 70 pesos, which he wrapped in an envelope to make it seem like a reply from the god. On having found the letter, Lencho is not at all shocked, but instead he gets angry on finding that the amount is less than what he had expected. He again writes a letter to God conveying his disappointment. He has distrust in the employees of the post office who he thought had stolen the remaining amount.